Hi, Zach Petros here from MarineMax Jacksonville, and I'm standing next to one of our brand new 13 Super Sports. As you can see, this boat is light hull color gray. Light gray hull color. Same thing, right? Powered with a 40 horse Mercury FourStroke. Very fuel efficient. This thing's a blast to go rip around on. You've got a 4-step boarding ladder here. And below that boarding ladder, you see this beautiful synthetic teak. This is a nice package add-on. With the chrome graphics and the teak, it gives it a nice hint of class. Inside, you'll see this beautiful bench seat. 2 cup holders. You got a storage box up front. You've also got an anchor locker, which doubles as a fish box if you need it, and a 6.5 gallon fuel tank. You can go all day on this boat. When you're done with it, you can load it up on the trailer that comes with it. If you have any questions, come on down to MarineMax and come take a look.